Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my fall and autumn clean and decorate with me series. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I have decorated our kitchen for this season. I hope that you guys will enjoy it, and let's just jump right in and get started. Alright you guys, so that concludes this second part of my 4-part Decorate With Me series. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me clean and decorate my kitchen for the fall. And of course I hope that it inspired you to decorate your kitchen for this beautiful autumn. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Tomorrow I will be decorating the dining room with you guys. So I hope that you come back and join me for that video. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this one, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Until then, take care. Bye!